From stream to stream, managing waste in the 21st century. The U.S. population has over doubled since 1950, and with city infrastructure growth, the percentage of population on city sewer is greater than ever. Therefore, our aging infrastructure doesn't size up to today's demands. In 2011, 2.5 million gallons of raw sewage seeped through a South Florida neighborhood. Why? Because old clay pipes damaged from years of use, tree roots, and ground shifts. And these are the same pipes that are still used throughout the nation. In addition, stricter regulations by the EPA have challenged the industry to adapt and find new methods to efficiently treat the wastewater. These regulations include a zero-tolerance policy for discharged chemicals. There can be no change in the chemistry of the stream where treated water is discharged, and discharged water must meet drinkable standards. So how do we treat this influx of sewer with today's standards, especially when it is dispersed immediately back into our ever-demanded freshwater source? To answer this question, we toured a treatment plant built in 2003 to learn how they have adapted to 21st century waste problems. And here's the process in detail. Waste from the city of Mount Sterling, including all industrial waste and landfill runoff, comes here to this 30-foot pit where 7 three-phase 25-horsepower pumps begin the treatment process. Here we have the screening process where debris is caught in grit screens, ground up, and augured into dumpsters for disposal. Toiletry products are commonalities here, but $100 bills have been found on occasion. Following the screening, the waste goes through the process of clarification, where solids are settled out, and aeration, which provides oxygen for waste-eating bugs, as they are known by industry professionals, which break down the waste products. Here's a final clarifier where suspended materials settle out and objects which rise are removed by a rotating arm. From here, clean water runs from the top of the final clarifier to a UV system, and the broken down remaining solid matter moves to the recycle or waste station. The solid matter is either recycled through the process or pressed out here and hauled away once bacteria have ate away all waste material. The pressing process heats the solids to kill any bacteria or bugs remaining and then presses out all water. The recycled material is then used to cover waste at a local landfill. And here the clarified water is released to a local stream after running through a UV system, which kills any remaining bacteria. This completes the eco-friendly wastewater treatment process. The treatment company acknowledges that before their environmentally sound, fully automated, non-chemical plant, meeting EPA specs was a challenge. Now the plant treats an average of 2 million gallons per day with a capacity of up to 10 million gallons, and the water discharged is perfectly drinkable. The plant now has time to focus resources on improving infrastructure. They are currently identifying areas of high waste production with flow meters, which signal a location that clean rainwater is entering the sewer system. They're also seeking out faulty clay piping for replacement. Thank you for watching, and thank you to Mount Sterling Water and Sewer.